Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling a big question. How much money should you save every month? It sounds simple, but many struggle to find the right amount. You start thinking about all your expenses, rent, bills, that avocado toast, and suddenly, saving money feels impossible. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan and a simple formula to figure out how much you should be saving, no matter your income. We're gonna break it down step by step, and I promise it'll be way less scary than you think. Let's do this. So let's start with a super helpful guideline, the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests dividing your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% goes towards your needs, 30% towards your wants, and the magic 20% is for your savings. Needs are your essential expenses, things you absolutely can't live without. We're talking rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt repayments. Next up, the fun part, wants. This is where you allocate 30% of your income. Think of it as your fun money, eating out, new clothes, that weekend getaway. And finally, the MVP savings. This is where the 50-30-20 rule gets serious about building your financial future. Imagine you're making €2,000 a month after taxes. Using the 50-30-20 rule, you'd allocate €1,000 to needs, €600 to wants, and a solid €400 to savings. Okay, so we've got the 50-30-20 rule down, but remember, life isn't one size fits all, and neither is your budget. The 50-30-20 rule is a fantastic starting point, but you might need to tweak it based on your own circumstances. If you're starting out, even aiming for 10% or 15% of your income can make a big difference in the long run. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Flexibility is key. Now let's talk about motivation, because saving money without a purpose can feel pointless, right? That's why it's crucial to set clear and specific savings goals. When you know what you're saving for, whether it's a down payment on your dream home, a fancy vacation, or early retirement, it's way easier to stay motivated and stick to your plan. One of the most important goals should be building a solid emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, your peace of mind money. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Start small, be consistent, and watch your savings grow over time. Having clear financial goals makes those dreams feel so much more achievable. Alright, I know what some of you might be thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but saving even €100 a month feels impossible right now. And hey, I get it, but here's the thing, starting small is way better than not starting at all. Instead of getting overwhelmed by the thought of saving a huge chunk of money, focus on building the habit of saving consistently. Even if it's just €50 or €100 a month, the key is to make it a non-negotiable part of your budget. Think of it like working out. You start small, gradually increase the weight, and over time, you get stronger. Another great way to make saving easier is to automate it. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account every month. To recap, the amount you save every month depends on your income, your expenses, and your goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point, but don't be afraid to adjust it based on your unique situation. And remember, it's more important to start saving than to save a perfect amount right away. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment with your savings goals. See you in the next one.